y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, bringing you another video from the series. I forgot my tripod, so I'm cooking one-handed so I can make food for you. And in today's video, I'm giving you 2 recipes for the price of 1 video. So I'm gonna show you how to make pasta and homemade garlic bread. And what's special about this pasta is that we've got a secret ingredient, something a little unexpected, but you might have it in your refrigerator, and that's hummus. I know it sounds like, but y'all, let me tell you, I think it's poppin', and I hope you do too. So you'll have to watch and find out how to make hummus and pasta work together. But before you go, you already know, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut the top off of your garlic bulb like you see here, add it to some foil, and then you're going to drizzle with oil, make sure it's nice and tightly sealed, put it in your oven at 400 degrees for an hour. This is what it should look like when it comes out. Y'all be careful because this is hot. And now you'll take some softened butter and you're going to go ahead and season that. I've got oregano, went out to the garden and got some rosemary. I've also got some crushed red pepper here and a little bit of salt. Add your garlic into the butter mixture with all of your seasonings, and guess what? You've got to mix it. So go ahead, get your little workout on, and then what you're going to do is go ahead and make sure you spread that onto your sliced bread. Pro tip here, you want to make sure that the bread that you're using does not contain eggs. So I am just making sure that my entire loaf of bread is covered with our wonderful spread here. We want it saturated. We want it to seep in to the bread. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my oven, and I put it on 170 for about 10 minutes. And y'all, look at that. Look at it. All right, making the pasta. So I've got boiling water, noodles going in. I just love these noodles because they're cute and springy and fun. And this is what they should look like when they're done. Wow, bars. All right, in a separate pan, we've got some onions, got some mushrooms. Gonna saute that a little bit. And when it's nice and done, I will add it to my noodles. First dollop of the hummus going in. Add some of that. More hummus, and then we're going in with seasoning. You can use whatever complete and total seasoning. This one I got from Trader Joe's with also a little Old Bay. More hummus, more pasta water, mixing, adding a little bit of spinach for some garnish. And you know, this is what you get when you plate it all up and add it with a nice little side salad. Y'all, it's poppin', but I want to know what you think in the comment section below.